We reached the moon, but what's hiding in our ocean is far more terrifying. Humanity's most advanced nations, United States, Europe, have reached space. We have sent people to the moon and learned about distant planets and galaxies. But the surprising truth is this: the largest part of our own planet is still unknown. Thousands of miles off the coast of California, deep beneath the ocean, lies a hidden world never meant for human eyes. From above, the sea looks calm and blue, but below it begins a completely different reality, a world where light disappears and life takes forms that seem almost unreal. The upper layer of the ocean is called the sunlight zone. Everything here feels familiar. Sunlight reaches the water, plankton turn that light into energy, small fish eat the plankton, and larger fish eat the smaller fish. It is a natural food chain, much like the world we know. But the deeper you go, the more that normal world begins to change. At around 200 meters down begins the twilight zone, a strange boundary where light exists, but barely. There are no plants here, no green life, only a slow rain of dead organisms and tiny particles drifting down from above, known as marine snow. In this dark world, survival follows different rules. Some creatures are nearly transparent, as if invisible, because here, being seen can mean death. Others create their own light through bioluminescence. That light is not just beautiful, it is a weapon, a trap, a final way to survive. Every night, billions of creatures rise from the darkness toward the surface, and by dawn, they sink back down again. This is the largest daily animal migration on Earth, vertical migration. Then comes the midnight zone. There is no morning here, no evening, only endless darkness. The water is near freezing. The pressure is so intense that a human could not survive here for even a moment. Yet life still exists. Here lives the dragonfish, a silent predator that uses light other creatures cannot see, and the anglerfish, which dangles a glowing lure in front of its mouth to attract prey, a living trap. Below that lies the abyssal zone, a vast, silent plain on the ocean floor. Life moves slowly here. Food is rare, but sometimes the body of a dead whale sinks from meters above, and suddenly the entire area comes alive. One whale fall can support hundreds of creatures for years. At the deepest level is the Hadal zone. Here lies Mariana Trench, the deepest place on Earth. The pressure here is beyond imagination. Yet even here, creatures like the snailfish survive. And perhaps the most shocking discovery of all, there are places here where life exists without sunlight. Cracks in the seafloor release hot water and minerals called hydrothermal vents. Microorganisms use chemical energy to survive, which means life does not always need the sun. That single discovery changed the way we think about life itself. Because if life can exist in the deepest parts of Earth's ocean, then could life also exist beneath the ice of Europa or Enceladus? The ocean is not just water. It is an entirely different world. And the truth is, we have only explored a tiny part of it. The rest still lies hidden in darkness. And perhaps its greatest mysteries are still waiting for us.